Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Awesome Indian Vegetarian. In today's video we are going to make gulab jamun. So to make the gulab jamun, first step is to make the sugar syrup. For sugar syrup we need water, we need sugar, cardamom and saffron. So just add 2 cups of sugar to a pot. To that add 2 cups of water. And now I'm going to add 3 crushed cardamoms. You can add 1/4 of cardamom powder as well. Let the sugar dissolve completely on high flame. So sugar has dissolved completely. Now we're going to add a large pinch of saffron and boil the sugar syrup for 5 minutes and check for the consistency. Just rub a little bit of sugar syrup between your thumb and index finger, and if it feels like vegetable oil, it means our sugar syrup is ready. So now you can just switch off the flame and cover and set it aside. So next step is to make the mawa, or we can call it khoya as well. So for khoya we need 1 liter of full cream milk. It should be a full fat milk. So just take a heavy bottom pan and lightly grease it. Now add milk into the pan. Simmer it on low flame till milk reduces to a half and starts to thicken. And just scrape from the sides and stir it occasionally. So now our milk has started to thicken. At this point we're going to increase the flame to medium and stir it continuously until you get the condensed milk kind of consistency. So our mawa is ready now. You can switch off the flame and let it cool in the pan. Don't remove it from the pan. So once it's cool, it will thicken a little bit more. Now just transfer it to a plate. Now we'll move to the next step. We're going to make the gulab jamun. For gulab jamun we need oil for deep frying. You can use ghee as well, wheat flour, baking powder and baking soda. All these ingredients are very important. So just knead the mawa to break any lumps. There should not be any lumps. It should be very smooth. It should have a very smooth consistency. So our mawa is ready. Now we're going to add wheat flour. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of wheat flour in total. Don't add it all together, just add it in batches and mix everything together to form a smooth dough. In the beginning it may stick to your hands a bit, but as you work on it, it will come all together and form into a nice soft dough. You just need to do a little bit of work on it. So our smooth and soft dough is ready. Now we're going to add baking powder. It's 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder. Do not add too much or too less, just right consistency, just right amount of baking powder and baking soda, both 1/8 teaspoon. Again, mix everything together, mix it well, rub it with your palms. To make the nice, soft and smooth gulab jamuns, kneading the dough properly is very important. So now our dough is ready. We're going to make the gulab jamun balls. So just roll it into a 1/2 inch cylinder shape and just take a cherry sized small portion of the dough and roll it into a smooth ball. There should not be any cracks. Just roll it until it does not have any cracks and it should be a smooth ball. Just rub it with your tight hands. Just like this. Similarly, just make all the gulab jamun balls. So our all gulab jamun balls are ready. Now we're going to fry them. So just add oil for deep frying. It should be enough oil to cover the gulab jamuns. Keep the temperature to medium. Just drop a pinch of dough to check the temperature. If it comes up very slowly, it means our oil is ready. Just keep the flame to lowest and drop the gulab jamun balls gently. While moving the gulab jamun balls, do not touch them with any spoon. Just move the oil around. Keep the flame to low until the gulab jamun balls start to float. Now increase the temperature to medium and cook them until they have nice brown color. Keep shuffling them for the even cooking. Now our gulab jamun balls are ready. We're going to transfer them to the sugar syrup. Your sugar syrup should be warm. It should not be very hot, should not be cold, it should be warm. Transfer all the gulab jamun balls to the sugar syrup. Swirl the syrup pot for even coating. So now cover and set them aside for 20 minutes. So it's been 20 minutes. Now check our gulab jamuns. They have increased in size, as you can see. When you lift the gulab jamun, they will be heavy since they have absorbed the sugar syrup. Our soft, nice, yummy gulab jamuns are ready. Serve them hot. Some people like to eat gulab jamun with ice cream or rabdi. So hot gulab jamun with cold vanilla ice cream tastes very very nice. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Thank you so much.